Hello guys, nandito naman tayo maglakad-lakad. Look, this is all wild garlic. Look. So they're so beautiful, and this is all wild garlic, and that's the reservoir, Dad.
No,
it's a lake. Man-made lake dyan guys. So yeah. So ito yung ano, ang ganda mga wild garlic sila guys. Yan. There's some bluebells as well. You can see. Yung nakikita ninyo guys, na yung may flower siya na white. They are all wild garlic. Yan. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. So nandito naman kami maglakad-lakad. Kasi maganda yung araw today. Yan. You know, ang ganda Look at there. Look at going up. Yan. You know. Ganyan yun guys. Yan. It's flowers. Yan. Yan yung mga old wild garlic. Yan. It's nice that, isn't it? Look at there. As you can see it guys. Yan. Yan. Tingnan nyo. Ito, tingnan nyo guys. Yan. Diba ang ganda? Yan na-smell talaga yung garlicky. It's really quite nice garlic smell. Yan. Wow. It's quite nice. Yan Yan. Yan. Ito yung nakikita ninyo dito. Puro wild garlic. Yan tingnan nyo guys hanggang doon sa taas yan. Hanggang doon sa taas yun, wild garlic. Yan wow, so pretty. Instead of bluebells, it's a wild garlic. It's all white flower. So guys, ang ganda talaga. Nung last time nandito kami naglakad, wala pa ito, at saka yung mga trees walang dahon, winter na winter. Very very bold talaga yung yung mga trees here. So ito di ba ang ganda mag-walk dito? Yan, very very refreshing. Yan. So diyan sa baba yun man-made river. Yan. Tingnan nyo. Wow. Ang ganda. Yan. Ito lahat yung nakita nyo guys. For wild garlic. Tingnan nyo dyan sa baba Yan. Yan sa baba. Yan. Very talaga maglakad. Stress free dito guys. Stress free, maglakad-lakad. Kasi nandoon kayo sa sa YT, nakikinig ng mga balorohaan, nakakasikip ng dibdib. Kahit na hindi ka binabalahura, pero pag narinig mo sila, para pareho lang, nakakasikip ng dibdib. Aywan ko lang sa inyo. Ang ganda yan, ang ganda ng tingnan nyo guys dyan sa baba yan. Yan all wild garlic. May din, may bluebells din. Hello guys, nandito tayo sa tabi ng river. Look, this is all the wild garlic. You can see the flowers. This is all wild garlic. Yan, tingnan niyo guys Yan. Tingnan nyo, ang laki, grabe, sobrang ano dito. Yan. Itong ground, mga wild garlic ito guys. Yan o. Namulaklak na sila, pero hindi pa masyadong ano, fully yung ano nila. Yan. So dito tayo maglakad-lakad. Diba? Ang ganda oh. I think maybe another of you this, Dad. Ayan guys. So yan oh. Ayan guys. Diba? Yan. Punong-puno ito ng wild garlic. Yan. Tapos dyan, oh, river na sa baba. Yan. You can smell that? You can smell the wild garlic. Yan guys. Ang ganda dito. Parang ano siya. Yung sa ibang part, bluebells. Dito naman na area, ano, wild garlic. You smell? It's really garlic. Garlicky smell. No? You have to rub it a bit. So ito guys. Yun oh, hanggang doon yun guys oh. Hanggang doon nakikita niyo. You have to rub it. Yeah. Yan. Tingnan nyo yung shadow ko guys. So another a few days, I think ano, maglabasa na talaga sila lahat. Meron na silang mga flowers, pero hindi pa masyado. Hindi pa masyadong open na open. Yan. Yan. So ito, dito kami naglalakad-lakad ni Daddy Cool. Sa tabi ng river. Yan, river na yan guys. Oh. Yan, o tingnan nyo. Yan. Wild garlic. Yan o, ano nyo. Narinig nyo yung river. Yan, tingnan nyo. Yan ang wild garlic. Yung iba ay na ano, kinakain naman ito guys. Kasi yung yung friend namin doon sa Slovenia, inuulam din nila itong wild garlic. You know, ang ano yan, ang lapad guys. Ang lawak, hanggang doon yan, everywhere talaga. Everywhere makikita nyo isa, ano, itong wild garlic. Yan o, tingnan nyo. So they're not really fully open, Dad. I think another few days or 3 days. Yan guys, oh. Yan. Yan. Diba, hanggang doon yun sa dulo guys. Grabe, parang ano siya, magical. So ito yung river. So it's very pleasant na dito mag-walk-walk. Oo. Ano, tanggal ng stress. Kung may stress kayo, dito kayo maglakad-lakad ng ganito. Yan, river na yan. Diba, ang ano. Yan. Diba guys, ang ganda no. Dito lang, lakad-lakad. Malapit na ito sa amin guys. 5 minutes walk from the house. So, what you call this river, Dad? 7 miles? 6 miles oh, 6 miles water. Yeah, tawag nila 6 miles water. Why do you call it 6 miles water?
It's not because it's 6 miles long. There's another reason, a more complicated reason.
Oh.
It was when soldiers went from Carrickfergus, when they got to this river, that meant they had gone 6 miles. So the start of the river is like 6 miles from Carrickfergus.
So that's why they call it this?
That's why they call it the 6 mile water.
6 mile water?
But it's not because it's 6 miles long.
May dito sa amin guys, ito 6 miles water, river. Mayroon din kaming 7 miles straight, isn't it? 7 miles.
Right up there,
yeah, 7 miles straight guys. It's really quite straight for 7 miles. Yeah. So ito naman 6 what's it called? 6 mile water. 6 mile water. Yan. Ang ganda dito guys, maglakad-lakad. Oh, look, there are triplets. Look, the trees.
Triplets.
They're triplets, look, guys. Triplets. Yeah. Woodland and river. Yeah. Diba? Ang ganda maglakad-lakad. Yeah. Yan guys, oh, the view now. See? It's a view. Ito guys, oh, salmon lip. Yeah. Salmon lip ang tawag dito guys. I think this time, April or May, isn't it? There's a salmon come up. Yeah, this is the salmon's breeding season. So if you keep stay here for whole day or watching, you can see the salmon come up guys. Yeah, that's why they call it salmon lip. Yeah, umaakyat ng salmon dyan. Yeah. Ito guys, oh, tingnan nyo yung walkway. Yan. Both side is this is really the river. This side here, and then this one here, just the other small one. Pero tingnan nyo yung walkway guys. Nasa between. Yan. Yan. Yan ang ano. Ito yung view, di ba? Yan o, river yan o. Diyan. That's a river. It's quite good. Can see, di ba? Oh, forest na yung dyan guys. Nandyan forest na yung dyan. Pag summer na summer, this is very nice. Kasi green. Look at this wild garlic on the other side. You see guys? You see wild garlic. Dito sila ano, dito sila nag-grow yung mga wild garlic. Kasi ano siya, yung moist. Yung ano, tingnan nyo. So ito, what time do you think now, Dad? 12? Is it 12 o'clock? After 12. So ito guys, ano muna kami, walking muna kami dito along the river before lunch. So pauwi na kami. Yan oh, river na yan dyan. Oh, tingnan nyo. There's a train? There's a train again?
Yeah, 12:15.
Yeah.
18 minutes past.
Oh, there's a bluebell. You can see the bluebell on the other side. There's. Maybe tomorrow we're going to the Port Linon forest. I think all the bluebells come out now. Yan, di ba guys? Ang ganda. Dito, lakad-lakad lang. Yan. Yan. Yan o. Di ba guys? Ang ganda no? Yan, dito maglakad-lakad o. River na yan. Tapos ito yung walkway. Yan. I thought it's raining last night and the other night, but it's not really a lot of water. Yan. Tapos may ano dito, little beach na yan sa baba. Actually pag ano, pag yung there is a time na nagpa-flooding dito guys. Itong walkway na ito, cover na cover talaga siya ng water. Hindi niyo malaman na may walkway. Nagpa-flood din ito. Yan oh. Yan mga ano yan yung green guys na with white flowers. Yan ang wild garlic. Oh. Tingnan niyo oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda oh ng wild garlic. So nandito sila ano. Nandito sila nag-grow sa gilid lang. Yan. Mga wild garlic 'yun, guys. Yung flowers. Yan. Yan. Yung forest. Yan. O, diba? Ang ganda, oh. At saka yung maririnig nyo dito yung mga Sound ng birds. Yun, narinig nyo yung ano, yung birds. Yeah, you can hear the birds singing. Yan. Yan dito guys. Diba ang ganda guys, maglakad-lakad dito, no? Something like this. It's very quiet. At saka yung marinig nyo lang yung birds. There are birds, have birds singing. Yan, narinig nyo? Yan. So ito, mag-across the bridge tayo. Over the bridge. Yan. Yan. So, dito na yun guys. Yan o. Ito na yung bridge. So, ano tayo dito? Yan. Tapos ito din. Yan. Ang tawag nila dito guys, salmon lip. Kasi dito umaakyat yung salmon. Dito sila nagbe-breed ng ano, nangingitlog. I think this month, April or May, the salmon breeding time. So, ito guys. Galing sila dito sa baba. Tapos paakyat sila. They're jump up. Yan. Tingnan nyo. Yan, o. They're jumping. So, ito naman yung sa kabila. Yan. Yan, dito. Lakad-lakad. Yan. So, pauwi na kami.